हेलो बच्चों, वेलकम टू खुपरी स्टडी। और आज मैं क्लास 8 का चैप्टर 1 काबली वाला कराने वाली हूँ। तो इसके वर्ड्स मीनिंग देख लेते हैं। चैटरिंग, टॉकिंग रैपिडली, वेनेक्सेड, एंड्रॉयड, पैल्टेड, चैटर, स्लोएड, मेड डर्टी, फिल्ड, रैन अवे, पैडलर, समवन हु ट्रैवल अबाउट सेलिंग हिज वेयर, स्टैल्टेड, फील्ड, शॉकेड और अलार्म्ड, पेटेंट, able to climb without being Android, demur, objection, impending, about to happen, judiciary, accepting some judgment, quantic, pendicular, genetic, fuse, new falred, something that was recently been invented or introduced but that you do not like because it is not what you are used, triple, think of little value, bewildered, confused, the weight money that is due, a broer, a loud noise, announcing happening affair as a result, assault, a physical act, sounding, making a sound, proper, beat repeatedly, impression, imprint, clusion, become red and hot as a result of strong emotion, anew, again in a new way, curtail, restrict and reduce. तो चलिए अब हम लोग इसके शॉर्ट आंसर क्वेश्चन कर लेते हैं. व्हाट काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चन वुड मिनी आस्क हर फादर? Answer: Minnie asked her father all kinds of questions. First, she said, Ramdayal, the doorkeeper, knew no, nothing because he gabbled a crow a nor. Second, whether there was an elephant in the cloud blowing water out of his trunk to make in rain. Third, what relation was mother to father? Second, what was the first thought and impression of Minnie on meeting the Kabliwala? Answer: in first impression, Minnie afraid Kabliwala because he carried away children in his bag. Third, why would the Kabliwala go to his country once a year and when? The Kabliwala used to go his country in January every year to his little daughter. Fourth, why was everyone in Minnie house by the day Kabliwala came back to meet Minnie after being released from jail? Answer: everyone in Minnie's house was to meet Minnie after being released from jail because it was the day of Minnie marriage. Kabliwala just come from jail and did not know it. He had the vision of smart little Minnie in his mind. लास्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा, व्हाट डिड द काबलीवाला शो मिनी फादर व्हेन ही रिक्वेस्ट टू मीट मिनी? तो इसका आंसर है द काबलीवाला गेव हर ड्राई फ्रूट्स. एंड नेक्स्ट है whom did it remind him of? It remained of her marriage. हमारा सेकंड बी जो ऑब्जेक्टिव है, टिक द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. फर्स्ट है द काबलीवाला वॉज अ पेटेंट लिसनर. ऑप्शन ए, बट ऑफन subnet Minnie and would stop her tattle. Option B, but found it difficult to listen to Minnie's story. Option C, and listening to all the Minnie would tell him when they spent time together. Option D, but could not bear to hear Minnie even for a minute. So the correct option is C, listen to all the Minnie would tell him when they spent time together. Second question, when the Kabliwala came back from the jail and saw Minnie. Option A, she was dressed up as a bride and had gown up. Option B, she had not charged at all. Option C, she ran to him as he would as a child. Option D, she did not recognize him. So the option A is correct. She was dressed up as a bride and had ground up. So आज हमने चैप्टर 1 काबलीवाला का शॉर्ट आंसर और ऑब्जेक्टिव कंप्लीट कर लिया है. लॉन्ग आंसर नेक्स्ट वीडियो.